Why does staring at a textbook for 10 minutes feel like absolute torture? But you can easily spend hours online, watching videos, playing games, getting message from your friend. It comes down to how you are treating your brain's dopamine system. And adult content is the ultimate focus killer. Trust me, this is true. Here is the undeniable science. If you look at a PET scan of your brain, a healthy brain has bright red areas showing active dopamine receptors, but a brain exposed to chronic hyperstimulation showing significantly less activity. When you view adult content, your brain experiences unnatural, massive surge of dopamine. Because the internet offers endless novelty, letting you click from one image to the next, one video to the next, your brain's reward circuits gets hyperstimulated in a way nature never intended. To protect itself from a massive chemical flood, your brain physically adapts. It down-regulates or shuts off its dopamine receptor. Your brain literally becomes numb. This is exactly why you can't focus on your studies. Everyday necessary tasks like reading a chapter or solving an math equation produce a very low slow drip of dopamine. With your receptors numb from extreme stimulation, that study level dopamine does not even register. You are left with brain fog, zero motivation, and a complete inability to focus. You are not inherently lazy, your reward system is just fried. If you want your focus back, you have to starve the cheap thrills, cut the hyperstimulation, let your receptor heal, and watch how quickly your motivation to crush your goals returns. Reset your brain and reclaim your focus. Don't watch adult content, and you will see the change in yourself. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching and watch my all videos.